Today we're gonna make slime, and for slime we need a glue, an empty bowl, color, some water to dissolve slime activator, glitter, and 50 grams of warm water. So let's begin. Okay, now I'm gonna add 50 grams of clear glue. I'm getting nervous. Ah! The glue's not coming! Coming. Oh, I think it's... Okay, let me just... Finally coming now! Oh, it's coming now. Okay, is this enough? I'm just too nervous. I haven't made slime before. Oh, it's not coming out. Is that enough?
Press harder.
As hard as I can press until the whole bowl is full till the bottom.
It should be 50 grams, okay?
Okay, but I don't know how much it is. How much 50 grams is? Yes, I've never made slime before. Is this enough?
No.
Ooh, dribbling. I'm pressing as hard as I can. A big spot. Oh, we were pressing too hard. Too much glue came out. My hands are all gluey. My hands are all gluey, mommy. Mommy, help me.
Put it back. No.
Here. I think I'm gonna wash my hands. My hands are all gluey. And my hands are already stuck together. Now we have to use 50 grams of water. Here's the 50 grams of water. I'm gonna add the 50 grams of water to the boiler. And I'm gonna stir. Right here. I'm stirring. Nicer. It feels like I'm stirring jelly. Like I feel like it's stirring, stir. Oh, it's up. Okay. I'm stirring. Oh, now it feels more watery and gluey at the same time. Feels watery and gluey at the same time, like feels like jelly. Now I'm gonna add the slime activator in this bowl of water, but I'm only gonna add half spoon. It's all gloopy. Okay. Slime activator. Ooh, nice and good. Okay, now I'll put the bowl on the side. Okay. This is our nice. I'm gonna stir it now. Now my mom put the slime activator. I'm stirring it. Let's stir it. Ooh, I see some bubbles popping. Now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to take the spoon out and put it on here on the table and carefully put it inside this. And now I'm going to mix it up. Ooh, nice. Nice. water. Good. I don't know. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of color and then mix it. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this color. Now that I'm done adding the pinch of color, I'm gonna mix it. See the color appearing. It looks so nice. Yes, I like it so much. I'm mixing, 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 mixing. Let's see. I'm gonna lift up and see if it's turning slime. It feels like a little bit of slime, so I think it's turning into slime. Okay, I'm just gonna mix for a few more minutes. It's turning pink. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, and I see some shimmer. Faster, faster, faster! Okay. Feels a little goopy. So, what are you doing? Ooh, it looks like pink peaches. The peaches are a peach color, but it looks a little peachy to me. That's peachy. Or maybe it's watermelon pink. Or red. I don't know. I think I see 2 globs of slime. And ding, ding, ding. And it's turning into slime pretty well. I want to keep mixing it to make it fully slimy. Because I want it to be slimy and not gloopy. Because I saw one person made an accident and made the slime gloopy. And I want my slime to be it's a bit hard, I can't do it. Like we made cotton slime because it feels like cotton, like soft, furry balls of cotton, like furry cotton. Oh, I think I just some water.
The water.
Guess you want to play with it. It's so cute and slimy. Okay, let's just get all the pieces out. I'm so excited! It turned into slime finally.
Done?
Yeah, and now it's so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter.
Yes, only a little bit.
Yeah, I know. The glitter cap. It's not opening. Yeah, there we go. Oopsie. Well, at least it's more sparklier. Ooh, let's mold it into the slime. Ooh, it's getting sparkly. And my hands are sparkly too. Okay. Those slime is totally awesome. I love it. It's so cool. I think I want to call it cotton ball pink shiny slime. And because it's so cottony, it feels like cotton. It's just like my favorite. Yeah.
Wow.
I just feel like making another slime. Just
Hold it. I need to pour the water away.
Okay. I'm holding it. Oh, nice.
Now show the slime.
This is the slime, and it's whoa. It feels like putty.
Yeah. Because I think we added too much of the slime activator. That's why.
Yeah.
And we have to slide the slime activator in a very warm water.
Yeah,
to make it quickly into slime.
Yeah. Well, at least it's a glitter paradise. Let me just soak out the water. And maybe the slime could use a bit more glitter. Okay. So here's the slime, and it's a pinky paradise. I think I want to call it cotton candy furball slime. Because it's like a furball. This slime is so cute. And that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and like and subscribe to Arham and Mommy. Bye bye. Hey, it's so pretty. A pink and gloopy and nice. Oh, and look at all the sparkles. Oh.